Welcome to Prime Slider. In this video, we'll explore the Card Stack widget by Prime Slider. This widget helps you create modern stacked card sliders with smooth transitions and interactive effects. It's perfect for showcasing portfolios, team members, products, testimonials, and featured content. With its stylish layout and flexible customization options, you can create visually engaging sections that enhance user experience and make your website stand out. Let's dive in. Welcome to this tutorial on the Card Stack widget by Prime Slider. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to enable the widget, add it to your page, and customize its layout and styling to create an eye-catching stacked card slider for your website. To begin, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. From the left side panel, open the Prime Slider menu and head over to the Core Widgets section. In the search field, type Card Stack to quickly locate the widget. Once you find it, enable the widget by turning on the toggle switch, then click the Save Settings button to apply the changes. Next, open the page where you want to use the widget in Elementor. In the Elementor search bar on the left, search for Card Stack. When the widget appears, simply drag and drop it into the editor area. Right away, you'll see the default stacked card layout loaded with sample slides ready to customize. Before editing the content, let's improve the section's overall visual appearance. Go to the Advanced tab and scroll down to the background settings. Under the normal state, choose a classic background and apply a background color that matches your website's design style. You can also enhance the visual depth by adding a backdrop filter. This lets you control effects like blur, brightness, contrast, and grayscale for a more polished, modern look. Right below that, open the border settings. Here you can select a border style and fine-tune the border width, color, and corner radius. Adjusting these settings helps create a cleaner and more professional card presentation. Now switch back to the Content tab. The first section you'll see is Slides. This is where you can manage all of your stacked cards. Open the first slide item to begin editing. You'll have the option to upload both a front and a back image for the card, creating a layered, interactive visual effect. You can also add a custom link so visitors can navigate directly to another page or resource when interacting with the card. Repeat the process for the remaining slides, adding your own images and links. If you want to showcase more content, simply click the Add Item button to create additional cards. You can add as many slides as needed to meet your design requirements. At the bottom of this section, you'll also find image resolution settings that help optimize the quality and display of your images. Next, open the Slider Settings section. From here, you can choose the stack direction, either horizontal or vertical, depending on the style you want for your slider. You can also control the transition speed to make the animation feel smoother or faster. The touch ratio option lets you adjust swipe sensitivity on touch devices, improving the overall user experience. There's also a grab cursor option that adds an interactive cursor effect while hovering over the slider. For more advanced design customization, move to the Style tab. Under the Wrapper section, you can adjust the minimum height and maximum stack width to better fit your page layout. You can also apply custom backgrounds, borders, border radius, padding, margins, and box shadows to give the entire widget a more refined appearance. Finally, open the Cards section. Here, you can customize the card border style with multiple design options and further enhance the look using border radius and shadow effects. You'll also find Image Object Fit settings that let you control how images are displayed in cards. In addition, the Image Filters option gives you creative control over the final appearance of your images. Once you're satisfied with your design, click Publish and preview your page. Your card stack widget is now fully customized and ready to deliver a modern, interactive, and visually engaging experience for your visitors. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay up to date on the latest features and tools. Thanks for watching.